if you want to convert an image to a video, all you have to do is just use a very good prompt. This one is just for the purpose of this tutorial, and I just want to make you understand that it's very easy to use this platform, right? So now that we have this, the next thing I want to do is to click on generate to generate our video. Let's see what it's going to come up with, right? And voila, you can see that it has converted the image to a video for us, and it looks amazing. Now, how cool is this? Now, I found an amazing AI tool that is everything you will ever need if you're trying to make money online or if you're trying to run a faceless YouTube channel like African Folktales, because it generates amazing images, realistic images for you. And not just that, it generates slides and corrects images and a whole lot more, which I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to come over to your browser and visit photo.com. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you can find it easy to visit this platform and try all that I'm going to be showing you in this video for yourself. So now that it has opened, the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and click on sign up to sign up with this platform. And to sign up, you just click continue with Google and sign up with your Google account. And voila, you can see that we are all signed up. And there's so many things you can use this platform for. There is AI photo editor, there is AI image generator, there is AI headshot, there is background remover, graphic designer, face swap. If you're struggling with consistent images, this face swap comes into play. To show you how amazing this tool works, I'm going to be starting with AI slides. So I'm going to click on AI slides. Now, this AI slides allows you to generate presentations with just a simple prompt. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, all you have to do is to come over here and paste in the prompt, how to start and run a successful faceless YouTube channel. And the good thing about this is that you can even resell this and make money off of it. You can sign up with Fiverr and all other freelancing platforms. Now, if you don't know other freelancing platforms, then you need to watch my 21 freelancing tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description, or you can click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video, so that you can learn how you can use this platform to make money on all the freelancing platforms, because there is no way you're going to sign up with 21 freelancing platforms without getting a gig every day. So now you can see that it's done generating our slides and it's looking amazing. And one thing I love about this is that you can change the color code, you can change the color template anytime that you want. But before we do that, let's quickly scan through to see what it came up with. So here you can see table of content, understanding faceless YouTube channels, planning your content strategy, building your brand and presence, monetization and growth strategies. Now, if there's anything that you want to now change or add, you can also add it here. Or if you want to add a slide, all you have to do is to click on this plus sign to add a fresh page and add the slide and add whatever you want, whatever information that the AI might not have generated, because of course you are the professional, right? And then let's check the page 2 and see how it came up. Definition and concept of faceless channels. No visual identity required. Voiceover technique employed. Broad range of video styles. Now this is amazing because this is 100% true. Why don't you go ahead and try out this platform? And again, if you want to change the color palette, all you have to do is to just scan through and say, oh, okay, fine, I want to use this one. All you have to do is to click on it, and then it's going to automatically change the color. As you can see, it has changed the color to orange, right? It has changed the color to orange. And if we want it in another color entirely, let's go ahead and change it to this. And you can see that it has changed it to blue. Now, how cool is this? All with just one single prompt. And you can see that it generated a lot of slides for us here, and with pictures, and it looks so amazing. Now, moving on, let's come back to AI image generator. Click on image generator. Let's see how it's going to generate image for us. And to do that, because I own a couple of African Folktale channel and I generate images all the time, so I need all these platforms to be able to generate amazing images. All I have to do is to generate something related to the African Folktale channel. And to do that, all I have to do is to just go ahead and put in my prompt, which is very simple. Generate an image of Sandra, a beautiful African girl, 22 years old, with low-cut hair, packed with an African-styled hairband, wears an African attire, standing in front of a hot happy. Now, you're going to select the aspect ratio. That is the format you want the picture to be generated in, whether it's 1:1, that is a square image like this, or a landscape, okay? Landscape or portrait. So this one is portrait and this one is landscape. That is the normal YouTube size, just like the one you're seeing right now. So we're going to select 16:9, and again, we're going to select the style. So you have to select whether you want photography, you want Christmas, you want lettermark, you want digital art, or however you want it, is going to go ahead and generate it. So you can also generate maybe cartoon image or something like that. It's just too cool, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and click on generate to see what this platform is going to come up with. I bet you the images will be amazing.
2 seconds later.
Oh wow, you can see that it generated amazing images, and this is totally different from the images that Meta AI, Bing, ChatGPT, and so on generates. I mean, this image looks very different and 100% realistic. Now, how cool is this? And it comes with no defects. It's just so amazing. So let's say you like this one and you want to save it. All you have to do is to click on download and download it straight to your device like this. This is amazing. And again, there's another option here, image to image. Now, let's say you're trying to generate a consistent image. So you want to use an existing image that you generated to generate more images in different locations. This is where image to image comes in. So all you have to do is to just go ahead and import the image like so. Let's say you want a younger version of her or an older version of her. So this is the older version. You can see the older version, be old, be young, baby filter. So whichever one that you want is totally fine. Let's try out be old first. So you select be old and then you're going to click on generate, and it's going to generate an older version of this same image. Now, how cool is this? By the way, if you have not liked this video yet, go ahead and smash the like button. It's a means to encourage me to make more amazing videos like this that is going to help you make money from the comfort of your home. And here you can see that it has generated an older version of her. If you look at the forehead, look at the smile, look at the nose and everything, this is just the older version of her. And of course, you don't expect AI to be 100% accurate all the time. So you might have to try again and again to get the perfect image that you're looking for. Now, let's go ahead and try out the Be Young filter to see what the baby heart is going to look like.
2 seconds later.
And voila, you can see the younger version of her is looking amazing, and you can see it's just the same thing. So if you're telling an African folktale story or any story whatsoever, and you want to show a picture of the younger version, an older version, and adult version, then this is an amazing tool that you need to use. And that is why I brought it to you, because this is one of the secret sauce that I use on my African folktale channels that I'm bringing to you, right? And again, you can decide to tweak things. And if you want to do that, all you have to do is to click on this setting icon here, and you have different options here. You have the AI upscaler, you have the AI replace, you have the background remover, you have the AI expand, you have the AI magic eraser. So let's say you want to upscale it to a higher quality, this is the one that you're going to use. Or AI replace, let's say you want to replace something. Let's go ahead and try out AI replace. So now that we have clicked this, we can decide to replace anything that we want. So let's go ahead and replace these earrings, right? These earrings like so. Yes, so now we're going to replace it with gold earrings. Okay, let's replace it with gold earrings and click on generate and see what the platform is going to generate for us.
2 seconds later.
Now, how cool is this? You can see that it has replaced the earrings to a gold earring and it stands out. This is amazing. And now the next thing you want to do is to click on apply to save this version. So now if you want to download the image, all you have to do is to click on download to download the image to your device and you're good to go. There are so many things that you can do with this platform. I would like you to try it for free. And then if you like it, you can decide to buy more credits. But I encourage you to go ahead and sign up and try it for free. It's totally free to sign up and try it, right? But one thing I want to show you again is this image to video. If you want to convert an image to a video, now all you have to do is go ahead and add your prompt. And I'm just going to, because this is just a normal image, I'm just going to go ahead and put smiling. You're going to leave the style as none, except you're trying to generate a cartoon video. Then you can select any of this. But if not, all you have to do is just use a very good prompt. This one is just for the purpose of this tutorial. And I just want to make you understand that it's very easy to use this platform, right? So now that we have this, the next thing I want to do is to click on generate to generate our video. Let's see what it's going to come up with, right? And voila, you can see that it has converted the image to a video for us, and it looks amazing. Now, how cool is this? Why don't you go ahead and try out this platform and see amazing things that you can use it for? I'm sure that there is so much more that you can use this to achieve, and if you're looking for more ways to make money online from the comfort of your home, I've put together this playlist for you to learn more ways you can make money just right in the comfort of your home. So go ahead and try it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.